This tutorial will show you how to create an other goods registration against a customer on the Personal Property Securities Register. You will need to set up an account and create a secured party group before performing any registrations on the PPSR. And before you get started, we recommend you print the How to Register reference guide from your package. You should refer to this as you perform your registrations. Go to the PPSR website www.ppsr.gov.au. Before creating any registrations, you must log in to your account. Select PPSR Login. Enter your account details and then select Login. Hover over the Registrations tab and select Create a Registration. Scroll down and select Start Application in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Firstly, you need to select the collateral type for the property to be registered. In most cases, the collateral type will be commercial. Only on rare occasions will the collateral type be consumer. Refer to your package for more information. In this example, we will select commercial. Next, you are asked, is the registration transitional? Only select transitional if you supply goods to your customer under a purchase order or supply agreement that existed prior to the 30th of January 2012. In this example, because we've reissued our terms of trade, we've selected non-transitional. Enter your secured party group number in the field provided and then click Retrieve Group. The details of your secured party group should appear. Click Next. Scroll down to the heading Collateral 1. Under the category Tangible Property, select Other Goods. Then click Use Collateral Class. You now need to describe your collateral class. Use the description found in the How to Register reference guide from your package. We recommend a duration of 7 years for your registrations, as this option provides the best value. Select less than 25 years. You'll then need to calculate the date 7 years from now and enter this next to End Time. Under Additional Details, tick the box confirming Purchase Money Security Interest applies. This is very important. Ticking Yes will ensure your registration has the highest possible level of protection. Regarding inventory, as a general rule of thumb, if you sell goods, the collateral is likely to be treated as inventory. And conversely, if you hire goods, it's unlikely to be inventory. In this example, we will tick the box confirming the collateral is inventory. Do not tick the box next to Current assets are subject to control. Only certain types of collateral can be controlled. The goods you sell or equipment you hire cannot be controlled. Do not tick the box next to This registration is subordinate to another registration unless you've agreed to subordinate your interest. It would be extremely rare for you to subordinate your interest to another secured party. If you do, they will have a higher priority to your property than you do. Leave the box ticked next to Proceeds to be claimed and accept the default description of all present and after acquired property. The Giving of Notice Identifier field is a reference to this particular registration we are creating. You could use a customer number, debtor code, or customer name, for example. Click Next. We will now enter the grantor's details. Remember, the grantor is your customer. Where your customer conducts their business through a trust, partnership, or joint venture, you may enter more than one grantor. In this example, our customer is a trust. We will first add the trustee as a grantor, followed by the trust. Select organisation as the type of grantor your customer is. Unless they are a sole trader, then select individual. You are then asked if the organisation has an ARSN. It is unlikely your customer has an ARSN, so the most likely response is no. You are then asked if your customer has an ACN. In this example, we will select yes. Enter your customer's ACN in the box provided. You can then select Verify to check the number you have entered against ASIC's registers. Your organisation's name should appear. If it doesn't, re-enter your identifier. You may have made a mistake. We will now select Add another grantor to add the trust's details. This grantor is an organisation and we need to enter the trust's ABN. So we will select No to whether the organisation has an ARSN, ACN or ARBN. We will then select Trust as the entity type and enter the trust's ABN. Don't forget to verify the ABN. Then click Next. You should now review the details of the registration you have entered to make sure they are correct. Then click Next. You can now enter your payment details to pay for the registration and complete the process. You are now ready to create an other goods registration on the Personal Property Securities Register. For further guidance on the PPSA, go to ppsamadeeasy.com.au.